when it comes to the bottom line for someone that is outside of the knowledge of HVAC, call them a CFO, what are the net typical savings you're able to achieve with this algorithm?
We have 17 installations currently working, and we've been able to achieve savings in the range of 20 to 40% of the cooling energy consumption.
Now, the little I know about air conditioning is that it's typically the largest consumer of energy in a commercial building. Sometimes 30, 40, even 50%
Right,
or more.
depending on the type of the building, it can be 30 to 50%. And of course, in warmer climates, hotter climates, it is even more. So particularly in buildings that operate around the clock, such as hospitals, hotels, shopping malls, and so on, where the cooling energy consumption is definitely the most important part of the total energy consumption.
So if air conditioning was half and you're saving 20%, you're talking about taking a net 10% off the operating cost of something. Could be a hospital, could be a hotel, one of these facilities.
Correct. 10%.
That's a big number.
It's a big number.